All right, today's video is gonna be a little bit, how'd you say it, Cam?
Satisfying. Actually, I don't know if it's satisfying. We haven't done it yet. We don't know.
It's also gonna be short.
Oh yeah.
Because if you look here, it says that it's Tuesday. Ah yes, the Beetle. Doink, doink, doink. Oh no, where'd Cam go?
Hello there.
How are you?
No, don't keep going.
So, this is the engine. Pretty sweet. It's a little dirty though, as one might suspect. See that? Yep. So you got the dirt on top of the air vents. You got the dirt down there. Oil running down the engine over there. Crankcase. Belts are looking pretty good. Some dirty air filters. So we're gonna clean it up. Yes, Cam?
Oh, I was gonna say don't do that.
So we're gonna make it clean now, right, Cam?
Yes, sir.
So you wanna know what's better than a Cameron? A broom. Whoop. Cameron? First step is water. Second step, put a plastic bag over the alternator, which was supposed to be the first step. Whoa. We now spray. Oh. Let rest for 1 minute. And now, rinse again. Now the blow dry. Cameron's getting Goliath out here. All right, let's blow dry this. So it turned out blowing it wasn't the best option, so we had to wipe. Yeah, word of advice for all you wipers out there. Try and wipe before blowing. Now that we have this clean engine, it's looking good. Chrome in the back isn't all watermarked. The blue looks nice. There's not as much dirt everywhere. But how do we get rid of the broom? How do we do that? Maybe if we just go a little bit of a, yeah. Ugh. Look at who came back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
All one day's work.
That'll be it.
We've been noticing the lack of subscribers lately. So if we get to 50 subscribers, both me and Kelton are shaving our heads.
50 subscribers equals shaved curliness.
That should be easy for you guys.
Share it to your friends. You know the squad. Get with it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care.